Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video. Today we are going to be unboxing the Apple Pencil second generation, that is this one, and also my first ever iPad is the iPad Air 4th generation. Now there are a lot of reasons why I did go for the iPad in this 2024 year. Firstly, of course, it's the budget that I had to see, and then I was confused with two models, that is the iPad Air 4th generation and the iPad 10th generation. But then finally I have seen a lot of reviews on YouTube and I decided to go for this one. So this is 64 GB capacity and this is Wi-Fi only. So without wasting much time, let's open it. Wow, I did go for the blue shade, and that's because I was bored with the pink, so I thought let me just go and try the blue one. I really don't know how to get it out. So that's the iPad blue, and you can see I really love the fact that it is like so thin. And of course I got the C-type cord now, so I don't have to worry while charging it may be my iPhone or my iPad. So here it is. I've kept it on my stand so that it is going to be nice and visible for you all. So firstly, of course, everyone knows it says hello in all the different languages, and here I go with English, United Kingdom. The appearance I will keep to default. So till it is like loading and getting everything onto my iPad. Basically, I'm not going to transfer everything onto my iPad because I am mostly going to use the iPad to view some YouTube videos and to do some editing, some video editing, and that's it. So I'm not going to keep any data on this as such. So it's only 64 GB, so yes, I only have to use it like to view things, and I'm just going to keep one editing app on it, and that's it. Alright, so until this is getting done, we are going to look at the second generation pencil that I ordered. So I'm so excited because this is my first time having the first iPad ever in my life and the first Apple Pencil ever in my life. So I went for the second generation, and there is a reason for it, because you know all the pencils, like basically for me, like they do the same job, but the second generation is good because you do not have to charge it separately. You just put it onto your iPad and it's going to get charged on its own. So that was the plus point, and that was the reason why I went for this pencil. So let's open it. And here you have it. I hope it's clear enough for you to view. So I literally love it because it's like a whole thing. And yes, I did order a case for it, a cover for it, and also for my iPad I have ordered a case and the screen protector, but right now today I do not have it, so maybe I'm going to make another video to show you all that. Alright, so I think it's done. So let me just open it. Let me enter my code. They said restore complete, and yes, they have copied most of the things from my iPhone onto the iPad, but I am basically going to erase all of that because I really do not need all that. So yes, basically like they have copied like whatever I had onto the iPad, but as I told you all, I am going to delete whatever I do not need, because there are many apps as well which I am not going to be using on this. So for example, the Facebook and the Insta, and so I'm not going to be using it on the iPad. So like it looks a lot of messy now, but yes, with you guys now I am going to try to change. First of all, let me just show you. I do not like this part. Like this is something like which opens up over here. Your recent open pages are going to show up over here, but I'm not really a good fan of that. So let me see if I can find where that setting is. So here it's gonna be like home screen and show app library in dock. So that's basically the dock where it shows. So show suggested and recent apps in docs, I'm going to uncheck it. Show app library in dock, I'm going to uncheck it. So let me just go back and check. Yes, it is gone, my friends. So this is exactly like what I wanted. Now moving on like to my icons and the widgets. For that, what I'm going to do is firstly I'm going to try the Themepark app. Now this is the Themepark app, and I'm not quite sure, like let us just check. So these are basically all the themes that they have shown for the iPad. So you can see, look at them, the shape, how it looks. So I think I'm going to use my pencil for this. So let's just try like this. You just have to pull it and it's going to get connected. It's going to show you continue. Okay, I think it's basically done. So let me just check. Yes, so I have it, so I can just directly use the pencil. I do not recommend this app as such, but because most of the themes over here are like paid, so like literally you have to see what you like and you need to choose among those. I have the Christmas theme here and it looks nice, I must say. So maybe should we go for this one or should we go for something else? This is like so confusing for me. We also have the Wicked theme like this, but I'm not really a big fan of that movie, so I'm gonna surely skip that. But I just showed you guys because I know most of you are liking that, because that's in trend right now. So if you want, you all can go for that one, and that's the reason I just showed you all that it is there. And this is like taking ages for me to find the best theme, so we'll do it Christmas because Christmas is going on and this thing really looks nice. So here I click on download, and let me go to icons and check whether it is free. Yes, it is free, so it's great. So firstly I'm going to go over here, I'm going to click on unlock the wallpaper, and we have to take 100 we have to pay like 100 hearts, diamonds for it. So it's already like I think it's downloaded. Then maybe move on to the icons, and I have to download like each icon separately, like whatever I want on my home page. Only for that I'm going to change the icon. And yes, over here to get the icons for free, you need to bear with the ads and watch one ad to get one icon for free. So now we need to click on the install over here, and that's going to like install. Over here we need to click on download the description file, allow, close. Then we will move on to the next step, that is like enter the description file. We need to click on open, and it's going to come right up, that is over here, profile downloaded. Click on install, enter your code and click on install. So it's going to be installed, and then you click on done. Back, click on done again, and like this you need to select download all that you want. So I'm going to quickly do all of this and I will get back to you all. Alright everyone, so I think I'm sorted with the icons that I want. And thirdly I go to widgets and I select the widgets that I want. Like I want this one, I want this one. So I selected both of them and I click on download. So now I need to watch and add more ads until I get 400 gems.
Look at my wallpaper.
So now finally I have got 425 gems, so that's more than enough for me. What I'm going to do is, now why is it not going? So I will go back and I will take both of them that I want over here and I will click on save. So it is saved in the theme pack that I need. So I'm going to go to my main page and now I'm going to do all the changes that I have to literally do. Now to change this part, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the blank page and I'm going to take a screenshot. Alright, and I will come back, I will just click on this and I will change the transparent background. Click on back and then transparent background, and I will click on re-upload and I will choose the so yes, I have done this now. So I will click on save to my widgets. So you can see friends, it has changed now. If I want to change the picture also, I'm going to change the picture, I think so. Click on back, click on transparent background as in the middle, so I'm going to click on the middle one, confirm. And if you want the picture to be changed, yes, I'm going to change the picture. Where is the picture? Upload a photo here. So I think I'm going to take the Santa Claus picture, and I think I'm going to keep like this, just the center maybe, or maybe like this, so it looks really cute. Yep, and I click on done. So you can see it is changed here, and I click on save to my widgets. So yes, it is changed and I'm liking the theme, like how it looks. Let me just lock it and show it to you. So yes, we have it over here. We got what we wanted, and yeah, it is going to look a different way when we like rotate it. So it looks like this when I rotate it, and this is like how it looks when you open it. Now if you want, you can change the way it looks over here as well. So whenever you come to this point over here, and then after this, whenever you like open up this, it is going to open up and show you the setup like this, like however you do it right now. So yes, that's it everyone. So I have done my setup over here. So I'm happy with what I have got right now. And yes, so this was all for today, unboxing and customizing my new iPad. For me, of course, the iPad Air 4th generation and the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please do like, share and comment, and yes, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Until then, wait for my next customization video. Till then, see you guys next time. Bye.